What's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Network USA, and the title of the video is "No Nonsense Cop Handles Woman's Bad Attitude Quickly."
Two on-duty officers with the Orlando Police Department were driving down the street when they saw a woman putting her feet into a fountain on the corner of the road.
Hey, you can't take a bath in here. You got to do that somewhere else. You got to go home and do that.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Are you all right? Are you having a medical episode?
No, I'm no.
Where are you from?
So we're Tampa. We're
Okay.
listening.
So you're from a civilized culture,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Does
sir.
this look like a bathtub?
No, it's not.
Okay. You know you could go to jail for that?
Cool. So take me.
Okay. Go.
Wait.
No, you said take you. You're going to jail.
No.
No, you're under arrest.
Wait.
Back up. Let's go. Get back.
No.
You're under arrest.
Wait.
Back up.
Okay.
Get back. You're under arrest.
Okay.
You're going to get charged of resisting. Stop. Put your hand on your back.
Okay.
Oh, she knows.
Okay. I fully.
You're in the city of Orlando.
Yes.
You're in violation of city ordinance.
Okay. That's okay.
No, it's not okay. That's how you're under arrest.
Oh, Emily.
Where's your ID?
It's in my bag, which Emily has.
Emily, where's her bag?
It's okay.
You ever been arrested before?
No, I have not.
Okay.
You go take the 1020 to Washington,
You're using, I explained it to you when you came up to here, and she has a smart mouth and she said she wanted to go to jail. So you cannot take a bath in a water fountain. Okay.
She did not. It's okay.
It's all right. Her actions put her in the situation, and her mouth didn't help. Put your boots on.
Just let it go.
Here, you could sit down, take a seat, and slide them on there.
I need hands though. Big. I need
Slide
hands.
your foot in there.
Well, I need hands.
Okay, well then I'll bring your shoes to the side if you want to do that. You could walk around the jail with no shoes on, or you could slide them on yourself.
Well,
Those are the options I'm
don't-
providing you. So you could either fit them in there, or I'll just
Well. So.
slide it in like this. Emily, you want to help your friend? You want to help her put her boots on?
Can I ask what I'm getting arrested for?
Do you remember what I told you? So you could get arrested for using the water fountain to take a shower. And you said take me. And I said, all right,
That's cool.
I will
then.
oblige you.
Yeah.
It's a violation of
I
city
said.
ordinance.
Well, no. I said what I said, and I take
No, you
responsibility.
did what you did. What you said didn't help the situation, but it's your actions that put you in the situation.
Okay.
Okay?
Can you at least let her?
Emily, do you want to? She could come help her.
Can Emily at least
Okay.
go?
Emily's not going to jail. She wasn't taking a bath in the water fountain.
That's cool.
I'm trying to have her help you put your boots on.
Okay. I mean, I can put my own boots on if I have hands.
You're not getting
but
unhandcuffed
That's cool.
until you get to the jail.
That's totally cool.
I'm pretty sure
Anything you do to me, or you usually let Emily go.
Shit. Just go over there. My bad. You could help her put her boots on.
It's gonna be number 3599717. You want to just get her out of here?
Yeah, but I want to get her boots on.
As long as you let Emily go, I don't give.
This is a complete waste of time. I mean, you got the officers down there, they got other shit to fucking be doing, and they dealing with this. I mean, on one hand, I'm like, on this hand, I'm like, well, she has a smart mouth. On the other end, I'm like, I mean, do we really got to be wasting our time on this? You know what I'm saying? It's like, yeah, she was in the water or whatever. She got out. The first officer already was like, yo, you can't be in there or whatever. She gets out, no problem. And he comes with like the snarky comments, are you from a normal civilization? Wait, civilization? What? Syllabization. I can't even say that word. Yo, this shit funny as fuck. I ain't gonna lie to you. But you syllabization or some shit like that. Whatever that nigga talk about, whatever you said. But he was being a smart aleck. You know what I'm saying? They're like, yeah. And then he's like, yeah, does this look like a bath to you? It's like, the first cop already said, I already got out. You know what I mean? Like, I get your point, you know, but you don't gotta keep hammering it home. You know what I mean? Like, it's just like, whatever. So, I mean, yeah, she should, you know, it's like 50-50. I mean, do you gotta really be wasting your time on this, or is there other shit to be worried about? But, you know, it's just whatever. This is just such, you know, yeah, it's 50-50 for me.
To get her boots on.
As long as you let Emily go, I don't give
Emily,
a
not in trouble. Emily, she needs help putting her boots on. Are you gonna help her? All right. So here's the thing. Are you gonna help her put? Yes or no? I've already explained it. You can't take a shower in the. Are you gonna help her put her boots on or no? All right. Come over here.
Come over here.
Come over here. Help her with her boots.
Why is she being arrested?
For taking a shower in a water fountain.
She wasn't. She was sitting on the ledge and she had her feet in the water.
Emily,
Okay. Just fix it.
Emily,
Fix
let
it.
it go.
It's a violation of city ordinance.
I get it.
We let it stand, we did not know.
599-717 is that a tag?
It's fine.
54. It says license number.
Bring him out. Bring him out.
It's okay.
10-20.
It's okay. It's okay. I promise it's okay. Me and my widow feet.
We're staying at a hotel. We're staying at a hotel.
Oh, come
Are
on.
you gonna help her?
Don't need any
I'm doing my best. I'm sorry. Her feet are wet.
Me and my widow feet's promise it's okay.
But why is she being arrested? Why is she going
Did I
downtown?
not explain it to you? It's disorderly conduct
You did.
under Orlando
Aren't I?
City Ordinance.
Okay.
I've said it 4 times at this point.
I understand that. I understand that you have said what the ordinance is.
So that means it's an
I'm
arrestable
helping.
offense, so she's going to jail.
Okay.
That's fine. Take like
Are you gonna help her or no?
I am doing my
Okay.
best.
if I had hands, I could help better. But it's okay.
Second fuel, I was up there.
You're doing your best assist, and I appreciate you. It's okay.
Don't defend the crime center.
Okay. You have to put this one on the floor.
Good.
No, you have to put this
And
one on
you
the
just try
floor.
to keep
I'm the
They
one
must
in
be young the
handcuffs.
way they acting. Boy. God damn.
It's okay.
But you should be in the handcuffs.
It's okay. I know too. It's okay.
Just get it enough for her to walk.
To the car.
I'm perfectly fine to walk wherever the fuck I have to walk.
Come on, they acting so dramatic. So dramatic for no reason. You're gonna go down, sign some paperwork, get out. Like, what the heck is the big deal here? Stop all that crying and stuff. You're in the situation that you're in because you want to have a smart mouth. That's the only reason why the cop is locking you up. It ain't for the water fountain. It's because of the smart lip. You know, that's why. You know you can go to jail for that. Okay. And that's why she's going to jail.
It's okay.
Delta 15.
We're not in Tampa anymore, is all I learned. It's okay.
How long have you been in Florida for?
Born and raised. She's from.
I'm asking.
No, me.
Yes.
I've been in Florida for 6 years, so yes, correct.
Is this a real ID?
It is, yes.
So why do you have a Rhode Island ID? You've been here for 6 years.
Because
Have you ever had a Florida ID?
I have not, no.
So you've been here off and on, or what? Like, why do you still have a Rhode Island ID?
She went to college down here.
Okay.
Yes, yeah, I went
makes
to
sense.
school here.
You go to
and
UCF?
then- no, I went to UT, University of Tampa, and then I went off and on, and then, yeah, technically, yeah,
Okay,
whatever.
all
I'm
right.
not, look,
Have you ever been arrested before?
I have not, no, it's okay.
That's fine.
All right, that's fine. Stand up.
That's
All right.
fine.
Is this your phone?
That's
Do you have a
fine,
purse?
I
I got it.
You got your purse?
You do.
All right. Over here. Just stay back here. No, you cannot go to jail with her.
Okay, but
Take a seat.
But is somebody
in the
gonna
car.
make sure that she's okay?
How old is she?
How
old is she?
Emily?
Oh yeah, how old is she?
29.
Okay, take a seat.
But like,
I don't know. She's 29. She's an adult. I'm not here to.
but we
Get in the car. You're gonna get another charge. Get in the car, or you will catch another charge.
Emily,
Get in
call
the
my
car.
mother.
Gotta call mommy. Gotta do that. 29-year-old crying and whining like that.
I think they got enough here.
Andrea, step out real quick. Step out.
She ain't even
Just
locked
relax.
up.
It's
The
not that
friend
serious.
is the 29-year-old.
I'm not the one that arrested
crying
you. I
and-
was just here, all right?
Yeah, that's okay. I mean,
All your stuff's gonna go with you, all right?
I really don't care either way. I just care about Emily.
She'll be all right.
I mean, she's standing alone, and I'm going somewhere.
Step in.
Where just
have a seat for me.
can you leave that open?
Yeah, I can't leave it open right now, but I could open it in a second.
Okay.
Just step in for me. I'm gonna turn the air on, okay? Watch your foot.
She then was transported to the Orange County Jail, where she was charged with disorderly conduct. If you enjoy the content we produce,
I don't know. Girls be on some other shit sometime, man. Like, god damn, man, the other chick is. Girls are so like this with each other. Like, I'll be like, yo, I'll be questioning it sometimes. Like, damn, y'all be over emotional, like with each other, trying to talk for each other, trying to do it. Guys do not operate like that, but it guys and girls act so different, like so different. She over there sitting there, she's on the corner by herself, and I'm going somewhere I don't know. She is 29 years old. She don't know how to call an Uber or walk back to the hotel. What are we doing here? Like, what the hell is going on here? The other friend keep asking the same question over and over. Well, what is she getting arrested for? What is she getting arrested? He explained it 10 times. God damn, y'all crying together and everything. Man, miss me with that, man. You'll see her in a couple of hours. Like, really, like get a grip. Get a grip, man. Get it together. Get it together. Okay? Gonna be all right. You could go without being with your friend for, a couple of hours. It's gonna be okay. Jesus. Another thing, girls, they all go to the bathroom together and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? They be all, I be like, whatever, man, whatever. It's funny, though. But anyway, I think the cop did a good job, man. I mean, it could have went 50-50. I mean, did you have to lock him up? No, not really. But, I get it. She gave you some back talk, so you want to show her who's boss. You know what I mean? So I give him a 3, man. 3 out of 5 from me. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.